Nature of logic. Logic is not the psychology of reasoning. One thing you should note is that logic is concerned with principles of correct reasoning. Logic is the former discipline and it tells us how to reason if we want to reason something. Informal and formal logic. Informal logic is usually called inductive logic. Reasoning based on informal, inductive logic moves from statement of evidence to a conclusion that extrapolates from, amplifies, or generalizes the evidence. Example of informal. Hi, how are you doing? Informal sentences are typically speech in casual text.